Alright, guys, trade recap. Yeah, working trade recap for last night. Got stopped out twice. So, not very good in terms of money, but shit happens. Okay. So, okay, it's good to see it went bullish. That's annoying to see, but it's good to see because that's what we called. That's what I called. Coming into session, I was thinking what we want to potentially do. Yeah. What we want to potentially do coming into this session is either we inverse this 4 hour gap and go higher, which is what I wanted, or we were going to respect it and dump to these lows and further. But if we were dumping and respecting it, if we hit these lows, I was saying we were going to go further. But what happens is we just go bullish. So, and the price action was just like, I guess we should have just waited longer. Um, I guess we should. Oh, mate, got stopped out on this position as well. So the first position, yeah, not good. The first one was literally just on open, and it boomed topside, and then just about here we get a 30-second gap respect. So we were all like, "Hell yeah, let's do it, let's do it." And then it got up a little bit, and it was just like, "Fuck you." I'm gonna say it's because ES hit that top, which is fair. And then next position, I was short down here because we got honestly a really nice 30-second respect bearish, as well as we had this 1 minute tap here. The only my issue is we had a little bit of news, or the 45 candle spiked it really bearish here, you see, and it nearly hit TP, but as soon as price hits these lows here, I should have been break even because they are session lows. Like New York open the lows. When New York makes a range of like highs and lows upon open, it's normally a good target, right? Um, so then we eventually start coming bullish, which is what we want. I guess we just had to be more patient. But it's like it's so sad because ES didn't sweep anything. Bottom's hard or anything. Like it just respected a gap, not even an hourly gap. So when we finally break above the range here, boom, break above the range. 1 minute respect bearish at 111. What do we get? Sorry, bullish. So you'd have to get it off like this candle. Wow, and then it stop loss hunts right back down. That is intense. That is crazy. That's the one the maker stopped it off. Actually, it just goes to the lowest 30-second. So we have a 30-second respect here, but that's not 6. All that does is inverse in 1 minute. And I guess that has broken above, but that could easily be another resweep at top. You definitely do have to wait till it breaks up here. ES has it much better. But how are you to know? Yeah, 30-second. Get in here. That might be, yeah. Like, the bias was all correct. I guess we just entered too early. But, so with the first trade was fine. The first trade was a loss. The first trade we entered too early, I think, and we didn't have any targets close enough. I think we need to get in a position where we come closer to a target. Definitely. I definitely think that. But yeah, that was that.